In this one I'll be making a single loop cut, and that single loop cut will come out a bit funny, as you'll see, because it's trying to be sympathetic to the overall shape of the object, but I just want a straight line going down, and we'll scale to fix that. So let's go into the side orthographic, just because that's where the thing I want to cut is. Control R, and then if I start to, nope, I'm in object mode, go into edit mode. Okay, let's pick on this one then. So here, so I've got two cuts, and I'm going to focus on just one of them. Let's say I want it there, and this loop cut I'm not interested in, won't worry about deleting it. Now if we look at this in a perspective mode, we'll see that what I want is a straight line coming down here. What I've got is this thing that's trying to be sympathetic to the overall shape. So if I again just select one edge select, which it should have. Let's go into, let's try vertice select, see if that helps a bit more. Got that, and then shift and get the rest of it. Okay, so if I now go back into numpad 3 and I do an S and a scale in the y-axis, then it kind of snaps a bit awkwardly, but it might be just about good enough for my purposes for right now, or to show the point anyway. So that's pretty much it really. Thanks, bye.